Good morning, welcome back to the Vette YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix or prevent a crack or a chip from spreading. I haven't done this before, so let's dive in. My name's Trevor and we'll roll that intro. So something with Jeeps is you're just bound to get some cracks, which thankfully this one went all the way down, all the way up. It shouldn't spread into the windshield, but we also just picked up a rock chip right there. Yeah, that guy right there. Like, oh. So to prevent it from spreading, we bought this Rain-X windshield repair kit. I can drop a link in the description below. It works for chips, bullseyes, stars, and then on the back side it also has directions for cracks. We're gonna go with the chip for this one, and if I have enough, I'll go ahead and just try and fill that in, and why not? It's not gonna hurt anything. This has been like that for about a year, I believe. This rock chip here just happened like a week ago. So, without further ado, we need to clean the area. You can see Riley over there. He's got glass cleaner and he's cleaning that half because I've already cleaned this half. It is ready to go. And then what we're going to do is get the, what do they call this? The glass, remove any loose fragments, affix the applicator base to the windshield, making sure that the center, that part, is over the center of your crack. And we're just going to push down on all four of these, just like that. Boop. And that should be right over, perfect, right over it. Next, we're going to take this screw here and we need to screw the resin chamber into this. So we're just going to screw it into there. I don't know if I can get it to where, I think we want to line it up. I'm going to have to scoot it down just a little bit because I can see that I'm just shy, I'm just high. So I'm going to move that real quick and get it set. Alright, there's Cohen there. So on the inside, we want to make sure that that is lined up pretty much right on top of it. It looks like I'm almost there. I need to kind of go up and to the right, the left. I need to bring it up just a little bit there. So let's get that done. Alright, now we got that moved over. Cohen is verifying that it is in the right spot. Is it good? It's good. We got the thumbs up. Continue to the next step. So we just screw that in until you don't want it to be super tight. You want it to be loose, like gently touching the glass. And then we're going to screw the pressure driver clockwise. Alright, now that we've got that screwed in, we have the resin here. We are going to pour some right inside of there in this tube. Make sure that's pressed up against there. I'm not sure how much we need, but I'm going to do about 2 squirts, call it good. We can always come back for more if we need to. And then we're going to take the resin driver, and now we're going to start screwing this in. And Cohen should see, you should see that crack getting filled with some resin soon. I gotta put my hand down so I can do it with one hand. And we pretty much want to do this, screw this in all the way that we can. It's getting bigger? Good. Now it's spreading out. Then we're ready for step 4. Well, that is step 4, is to screw that in. Step 5 is to unscrew this, but we need to allow that resin some time to get into the brake, so about 4 to 6 minutes. Now for the crack, I just took this and super slowly kind of went over that entire crack. You can see I got a lot. I don't think I need to do as much, but that's what I did. And then the next thing is to apply a curing strip to that. So we're going to apply a couple. That's just going to kind of help hold this in. And one more. Just right there. There we go. Oh, careful. You got to watch your hand, bub. So this is working. We have about 4 to 6 minutes now. And that means that we can unscrew the pressure. That's going to release any air. I might get some draining out. Yep, I see some coming out. That's okay. I do have a shop rag just in case, because I don't want to get it on the car. There we go. I'm just going to set this down over there, out of the way. Now I went ahead and took all that off. Looking at it, you can still see it right there, but it looks like it's filled. So if it doesn't look filled, you need to do that however many times. Like, you may need to repeat that a few times just to make sure that that gets where it needs to go. The next thing is we need to read the instructions. There we go. Went ahead and put a little bit more on the top there and the bottom. Put one of these applicators on, and now we can let this sit outside in some sunlight. The sun went behind some clouds, so that might be a bit of a challenge, but we're gonna do it anyways. Let's go. All right, now we've got it in some direct sunlight. We're gonna let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, after 10 minutes or so, I got the razor blade out. We're gonna peel these off. Maybe. Kind of like that. We'll set them down. And we're gonna take our razor blade, and then we're gonna scrape all the rest of this off. All this excess. We're gonna scrape it off and scrape it away. So it's gonna take me a while. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright, there we go. We can tell right off of this one that I did not do a good job of filling it. At least not all of it. Some of it's pretty good. It is still visible. It is somewhat filled. There are some spots that are not. However, the little rock chip from earlier, let's see if I can't even zoom in on it right now. But let me see if I can just cover it right there. Maybe not. Yeah, it actually did a lot. It's really hard to see on camera. However, I can still see it pretty well right there. This is the real test. This is the inside. That's all that you can see from the inside of it. That's not bad at all. That's a lot better than it was. There's a tiny, I think the most noticeable is right here, and then the middle where it actually hit. Not bad at all. Well, if this helped you guys out, smash that like button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe. And we will catch you in the next Jeep video. Or car video. Or farm video. Whatever it'll be. We'll see you there. Have a great night and God bless y'all.